Imagine this. Instead of struggling for months to finish a single book, you've got a system pumping out 5, maybe 10 high-quality books every single month on Amazon KDP. Sounds insane, right? But with the right workflow and the right use of AI, it's not only possible, but highly repeatable. And today, I'm gonna show you exactly how that system works. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive into it. So here's the big shift that you need to make. Stop thinking about publishing as a one-off project and treat it like a pipeline. Every successful self-publisher that I know has systems, not random sporadic efforts. All right, so step 1 is niche selection. You need to constantly be spotting untapped categories. This isn't about guessing. It's about running keyword checks on Amazon, scanning reviews, and seeing where readers are begging for better books. Once you got 5 or 10 of those niches mapped out, you already know what your pipeline will be producing next month. Step 2 is drafting with AI. But here's the trick. Don't just dump prompt and then accept the first draft. That's what amateurs do, and that's why their books get flagged or ignored. You want a repeatable prompting system that produces structured drafts, consistent tone, and most importantly, usable content. Think of AI as your junior writer, not your ghost writer. All right, step 3 is humanization. This is where you or an editor steps in, add examples, stories, and your unique voice. You can even create a checklist for this stage. Does each chapter open with a hook? Does it use at least one story? Is this information even actionable? That checklist makes sure that every book passes the smell test, which could be really powerful for improving your content. All right, step 4 is formatting and publishing. Templates here save you hours. Create one interior format that works across most nonfiction niches and one cover style that you can tweak. Suddenly, you're not reinventing the wheel. Instead, you're just swapping out colors, fonts, and subtitles. All right, step 5 is marketing. All right, finally, step 5, marketing. Batch your launches. Instead of promoting one lonely book, you're promoting a wave. Imagine dropping 3 books in 1 month in the same niche or even in a series. Readers who buy one are instantly recommended the others through Amazon's algorithm. Now that is how you create momentum. And once this system is dialed in, it becomes scalable. Hire a VA to handle keyword checks, use Fiverr for quick formatting, and automate your launch emails. Now your job is steering the ship, not paddling in circles. This is how publishers go from being stuck on one book to running a real publishing machine. So if you've ever wondered how people publish 5 to 10 books in 1 month, this is the blueprint. It's about systems, not hustle. And in my course, I show you the exact checklists, prompts, workflows, and launch strategies that I use to run this system myself. The link is in the description. Check it out. And if this video gave you value, subscribe because I have a lot more coming. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value, smash that like button and I will see you on the next video.